Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another EAS Alarms real or fake video. Basically, if you're new to this series, I basically would let you guys listen to an EAS alarm of some sort, and then I would tell you if it's real and people are actually telling the truth, if they're outright fake and people are spreading misinformation and trying to scam you. And last time we left off on Capo Verde, so yeah, let's get started. So, Capo Verde. So that one is actually real. Now, the reason... Wait, no. That was not real. That one's fake. The reason for why it's fake is because it is actually, in reality, the EAS alarm for is real, except slowed down and low pitched. Freaking copycats. They should learn.
Mine are so easy, it's black and white.
Shush. Anyways, let's go ahead and move on. Alright. Cambodia. This one is real. This one's real. The reason is because, well, I'm guessing it must be a part of their siren system. So, yeah. Cameroon. This one has got to be fake. There is no way in heck that an EAS alarm would sound anything like that. If that one's real, then I'm going to kick them. I would kick them. Anyways, so next is Canada. This one is actually real. The reason it's used for TV alerts, and maybe even sometimes radio, and maybe even phone alerts. So it's basically used on just about everything in Canada, except for their siren, because their siren's different. Central African Republic. Oh, I'm gonna have to end this video early. I'm gonna have to end this video early. My phone's about dead. I think we'll do 3 more sirens. We'll do 3 more EAS alarms, and then we'll stop the video. So that's Central African Republic, which I have to say might be fake. I mean, fake. Considering that there's no way an EAS alarm would sound something like that. So, yeah. Alright, Chad. This is the second to last one. So this one, I don't even know if it's real or fake. There's no like clear explanation. I'm just gonna assume it might be like fake because this is sirens mixed together. So yeah. All right, last one. Chili. So this one's actually real. The reason for why this one's real is because, well, it was used for like